Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Libras. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance, Libras. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies, guys. So this will be the card for your moon energies and one card for your love guidance. So that will be a guided message, guys, oracle message. So let's start with the cards for your general energies first, Libras. So today we have Eight of Suns, Moon in reverse, and Seven of Moons in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you may have some confusion, guys. Some doubts may be there. Maybe in your circumstances you may see certain things going in a particular way, but in your heart of hearts you may inspire to do something else, or you may feel intuitive about certain things, and you may be confused about what to choose or what to do today or what will be the right thing today. So some kind of confusion or doubts are there. So maybe in your work situation, if you are making some important decisions today, guys, you need to put it off, hold on, wait for some more time. Do not make any important choices today. And though you may see your circumstances are moving very fast, maybe something gaining momentum in your work, maybe there may be huge changes happening, something giving you moving, making you move towards your dreams and goals and showing you the purpose. So what will be the future? You may see the beginning today, something telling you or guiding you towards the path you will make or you will take in your future. So some kind of a beginning you may see in your work situation, or it may be your situation in this relationship, guys. So you have a lot of things on your mind, you have a lot of plans, maybe thinking about what is the future or what needs to be done in this relationship. Maybe things are gaining momentum, everything is going so fast between you both. Maybe you have known them only for a short time and things are maybe going so fast, maybe, and this person simply loves to be with you and they are here with you every time and they want to spend their time with you. So things are heating up. Maybe you are thinking of marriage or commitment or what will be the next step in this relationship. And for some of you, you may have a lot of dreams about this relationship. So these dreams are really confusing you with reality today. And maybe the way things are going, it looks like something magical happening in this relationship. Happy times you are having with this person, that may give you certain ideas, but for some of you it may not move towards a committed relationship, guys. Maybe even they are just having that fun, having this vibrant relationship with you, but maybe for next step, let's see what is the card first for your relationship. So we have Two of Suns. So with this card, in your relationship, guys, Maybe there is a lot you are handling. Maybe uh, you are having a great passionate time, intimate time with this person. But on certain things, this person is trying to dominate you guys, or they are trying to, or maybe it may be your energy towards them. Maybe you are trying to dominate them, or maybe you are waiting for some kind of achievement before making a concrete step in this relationship. So it may be your energy or their energy. And maybe apart from this intimacy you share, you may not have a deep bond with this person. There may not be a very deep emotional connection you both have. So that may be the problem here, guys, Libras. So for your career situation, Libras, let's see what is the card. We picked one card and it is Five of Moons. So with this card, guys, it just means that in your work situation, maybe something may not be clear because you have made some choice, and that may be the reason for some troubles here. And maybe there are some changes happening in your work situation, some huge changes. Maybe you are moving to a different job or getting a promotion. It may be a positive or a negative change, but for most of you, I see that it may be a negative change here, guys, in your work situation. Something which you regret, something based on some mistakes you did. So for your moon energies today, guys, Libras, we have one card. The answers you need are coming. Such an apt card for you all, guys, Libra. So in your circumstances, maybe in your relationship, if you are asking about love, there may be a lot of fun aspects here. Maybe they are flirting with you, or you are flirting with them, having a good time. Or maybe there is someone interesting coming towards you. Do you know who it is, guys? Maybe if you have not noticed. So apart from that, I see that maybe today you need to, you may have the truth in your heart, but you need to be really careful what you speak, because words are very powerful. And maybe in your relationship, whatever you say is going to go against you, guys. So it is better to be quiet than tell something and feel really bad. So this may be the time for silence, to be more careful with your words. And in your work situation, maybe if you have applied for a new job, or if you are planning to take up a new career path, you are going to succeed. You are going to see positive changes. And whatever your circumstances are, guys, you must think with clarity if you are making some important decisions today, Libras. So for your love guidance, we picked one card and it says Unity. So with this card, guys, it just means, Libras, that in your circumstances today, maybe giving love and feeling loved by the other person is the strongest force, guys. It will just be like a ripple on water surface, and it will affect all the people around you with that happy, loving energy. So when you love that other person and when they love you in return, that energy is magnified and you feel aligned with that other person, feeling really blessed, and you may have that soul connection with that other person. And you need to understand that when you have that love, that deep soul to soul connection and a deep bond with the other person, You are going to receive love from the universe, and you are going to feel loved even more day by day. The more love you give, the more love you get back, guys. Libra. So that is the energy here, guys, with these cards. Thank you for watching, Libras. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. Bye, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow.